Hi, we are going to be testing this little angel today. I'm holding it by parts that I know don't have lead. I actually don't have an article about this one up on the website, but this is basically lead caming they call it, around glass. And this is a particularly good example of a horrifying application and use of lead. It's an ornament, so it's not regulated at all. It's not an item intended for use by children, so it legally can have an unsafe level of lead. This caming can either be 600,000 parts per million lead or solid lead, or sometimes 400,000. So either 40% lead, 60% lead, or all lead, depending on where they got it and how it was sold. And it also can have antimony, which is another known carcinogen. Obviously, there's a little bell here. The bell rings and lead doesn't ring, so that's not leaded. And then this looks like it's stainless steel, and the base that it's sitting on looks like it's stainless steel. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to shine the reactive, we're going to shine the black light, and then we're going to try the reactive agent kit to see how quickly this lights up, or if this lights up. Interestingly enough, can you see that? The blue? Mm-hmm. So that has nothing to do with lead. It's showing the black light lighting up, fluorescing on different things. If you use the light and there's green or blue before you spray the kit, it means nothing. It just is a good thing to do beforehand, so just in case there is some green, you know that you might have a confused reading when you do the
And that's paper
spray.
Over there, right?
What's paper?
There's that's the residue from the sticker.
Is it?
It looks like, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's funny. That's the residue from the price tag. I think I bought this at a thrift shop somewhere. Okay. And so the reason this is particularly egregious is because babies want to play with these things. It's pretty. It has a bell. It's an angel.
Yeah,
it's
like
a
delicate,
doll.
Tiny thing.
Yeah. So it's something a kid would want to play with. So now I'm going to turn off the light here so we can see if we can. Now, if this is lead, it should light up green.
Oh, you can. Wow.
Where is that lighting up? It's lighting up on the inside right there.
It's the inside of the inside rim.
Yeah, it's funny that this part isn't lighting up, but it's also leaded. So this is like, I don't know what they use, like a higher lead solder to hold this in.
That's not the glass lighting up.
No, it's not. Yeah. It's reflecting through the glass. It's the lead underneath it.
That's quite a dramatic effect.
Yeah, I didn't know what to expect.
Wait, can you do it from straight behind? Just to see. Yeah.
Is that a good picture?
I don't know.
Okay. And, yeah. What about if I do it like that?
Oh, wow, yeah.
So that's lead. I'm going to try this one more time. Because now we know that the solder is kind of on the inside of the rim. And maybe if we get some more. There we go.
Oh, wait, you can't see it. Let me just move. Wow.
What if I put it flat? Can you see it better when it's like that? Against the...
And then that's up there in the corner. If you go up, you can see it, yeah.
And these are very, very dangerous for children.
So is that indicating that the only part it's activating with is the solder, you were saying?
Yeah, like they probably put some extra high lead solder on the inside, or maybe it's a little more bioavailable. That doesn't mean that this part isn't leaded. I haven't tested this particular one with the XRF instrument, but the whole thing's super dangerous, and especially given it's attractive to children. So that's like Christmas ornament, kind of Christmas angel, and so we're gonna put links in with the video. You hopefully watch this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The more YouTube subscribers we have, the bigger our reach and impact, the more families we can help, and that's the goal of all of this in the end, to help protect children from being exposed to lead in their homes, communities, and environment. I will include the Christmas ornament categories of articles in the comments section, in the description for this YouTube video. And you can also learn more at leadsafemama.com, tamararubin.com. What's up, Bobby?
And so it is also a tradition with some people that they let the kids put ornaments on, right?
Oh, yes.
So
yes, we don't do Christmas, so but
I've seen that, yeah.
yeah, kids put the ornaments on the tree, kids unwrap the ornaments. If this was wrapped in paper, the paper that it was wrapped in that you might rewrap it in later, it would be contaminated. We're putting it back in the, you know what's interesting? Let's try one other thing since we're here. Oops, I just had an idea. Let's try spraying the inside of this plastic bag to see if any, the light's showing. The light's showing there, right?
You should turn off the, oh yeah, it's still
They're off, yeah. So I'm just gonna see if this has been in this bag for, I think, a couple of years. I'm gonna spray inside the plastic bag to see if any of the lead dust is detectable on the inside of the bag. You see any green? I don't see any green in there either. I would expect there is an unsafe level of lead in the dust here. Anyway, so that was an extra bonus test on this. But, you know, we try to keep things like this that are particularly egregious in plastic baggies so they don't come in contact with other things in our storage unit full of lead that we have, where we spent some time today. All right, thanks for being here. More at leadsafemama.com.